our home and its surroundings. Cleanliness is the absence of dirt, dust, stains, bad smells, and garbage. We should learn to keep our house, school, and surroundings clean. Cleanliness leads to good health. Cleanliness at home. Dirty laundry, unclean dishes, unfinished food, and an untidy room contribute to bacteria increasing, and this creates displeasing smells. When we wake up in the morning, we should fold our blanket and keep our pillows properly. After playing, the toys should be kept in their proper places. After studying, books should be kept away in its correct place. Cleanliness in the kitchen. All vegetables should be washed before they are cooked. All waste should be put in the dustbin and garbage should be disposed of daily. The dishes should be washed, dried, and kept away in their proper place. The kitchen should be cleaned with a disinfectant every day, and everything should be kept neat and tidy. Cleanliness in the toilets. Toilets should be washed daily and kept clean. Disinfectants should be used to keep away germs and bad smell. You should always flush the toilet after use. Even public toilets should be kept very clean. Cleanliness in our surroundings. Garbage should be collected from every home and the municipal trucks should dispose it off regularly. We should not litter our roads and parks. Water should not be allowed to stagnate, as it is a breeding ground for mosquitoes which spread disease. One should not urinate or defecate in public places. Cleanliness in school. You should help to keep the classroom neat and clean. Use dustbins to throw bits of paper and other waste. Cover your mouth and nose with a clean handkerchief while sneezing, coughing, and yawning. We should keep our home, our school, and our surroundings clean to avoid the spread of germs and disease. Help to keep your environment clean.